G'day lovelies! Today we're going to be making high top white bread in the Anko Bread Maker. Now this recipe I used to use in my Breville maker years ago. I was absolutely hanging for some hot bread with butter, so I thought I would give it a crack in the Anko maker a couple of days ago, and I was absolutely shocked with the result. So I'm really excited to make it again. So first up, we need instant dry yeast. Once you open your yeast, if you store it in the fridge, it will last you ages. Extra virgin olive oil, bread improver, full cream milk powder, plain flour. Now, inside that container of plain flour is Coles brand flour. I only pour it into those containers because instead of using the bag where you need to use two hands, I can just use one hand using the container, and they're great for when you go camping, etc. So I do have plenty of the baker's flour, but I wanted to show you how you can make a perfect loaf of bread with cheap Coles or even Black and Gold I used to use back in the day, plain flour. Salt, and for the sugar, I now use raw sugar, but I used to always use normal sugar, so you can use either. So the first thing we need is 290 ml of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. So we want 3 cups of plain flour, and we want to pile up in the very middle. 1 tablespoon of the milk powder, and I like to sprinkle it around the outside. We want 3/4 of a teaspoon of bread improver, and same thing around the outside. Once we've done that, with the back of the spoon, I want to put a nice big hole in the middle of the flour. And now with a clean teaspoon measurement, we want to put 1.5 teaspoons of dried yeast into the hole. Alright, now we turn it on at the wall. So when it turns on, it's already on for basic for the 3 hours. So we don't need to change anything. It's already on 800 grams, so we don't need to change that either. So the only thing you'll need to do, if it's not sitting on medium, is just press your colour. There's dark, light, back to medium. Then all we do is press start. 3 hours later, the house smells awesome. We've got a high top loaf. Flip her over straight away. Oh, I flattened it a bit. Look at this. Oh my golly gosh, mate. Oh, my hand's probably going to be in the way, but let's cut this bad boy open. High top bread. Cooked to perfection. OMG. Look at the size of this bread. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait for you guys to give this one a crack, honestly. You're going to absolutely love it. I'll be back very soon in the next day or two for the Anko food processor review. Have a lovely afternoon, enjoy your hot bread, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.